right, we're starting off from the very front of my house, and I decided to do this to show you how the idea of the closet slash dressing room slash vanity makeup room, whatever you want to call it, how it came about. So when you walk in from the front door, right here to the right is my office. And this used to be a formal dining room, but I am not that formal, so I decided to change it. All of the places where you see this wood, this is actually tile that looks like wood, was carpet before, and all of that was changed out before I moved in. So I was happy to get that nasty crap out. Now this space right here is actually now my mud room. Off to the left here is the garage. So you come in through there, and then you have this little space, and you can drop your shoes, drop your purse, whatever. Now, before it was this room was this was actually a doorway into a room, and it was double doors that you pull open. There wasn't a closet in there. There's a window, but it's a really small room. So at first I was like, well, I could make that my office, but the master closet is just not big enough. So I really kind of want to make this a closet. And I thought about actually trying to close off that whole side of the house and have like a master side of the house, but anybody coming in through the garage basically would have had like complete access going into my bedroom. So we decided not to do that. Plus that doorway is really tall, and the door probably would have been expensive. So when I came in with my agent for the final walkthrough, she said, why don't you just close this in and then open a door from your bedroom and make it a closet? So I was like, yeah, let's do that. So when you go into my bedroom, and my bedroom is pretty sparse, I don't have any decor or anything like that. I'm not good at that kind of stuff, so this is just basics, but it works. I don't spend a lot of time in here unless it's to sleep. So now this is where the entryway to the closet is. So we had a door put in, and this is the room. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I did not think about before, the light switch is actually back here behind those clothes. I didn't think about getting them to move it. So lights come on like this. And I love that you can dim it. It's pretty cool. You can change, like make it warmer, which I doubt you can. Well, yeah, I guess you can see it. You can turn the brightness down. So I like that. Full bright. Yeah, so this is my ring light that I used to film with, and get that out the way. This little ottoman here I used to use as my seat actually for my vanity, but when I upgraded everything in the closet, I decided to get a new chair. But these are my shoes. Let me close this window so y'all can see. There we go. So these are my shoes here. Mostly a lot of tennis shoes. I'm in the gym a lot. And then some heels. I haven't worn heels in over a year. If you've seen anything on my Instagram recently with heels, that was literally just to take a picture, and I took them off because my knee cannot tolerate that yet. But it's getting better. Everything I have up here for decor was just kind of random stuff that I got. I'm sorry, this might be a little shaky. Random stuff that I got that I thought would be cute to display. I love silver, I love purple, so that's the majority of the decor. Up here's just some of my nail polishes, different stuff I've collected over the years. This mirror though, I got this at my apartment. I got the vase from Pier 1. And the flowers and the pampas I got from Amazon. I don't know anything about flower arrangements, but I thought that was okay, so we're gonna stick with it. And then more decor stuff here. My Pat McGrath palette boxes. Got a new one to add. Y'all will see it in the haul. If you haven't seen it already, I don't know which one's going up first. And then this table I got because I wanted to be able to film in different areas of the house and not just be confined to my desk. So this makes me mobile. I film anything that's not like a tutorial. I film on this table, and I'm usually filming in front of this mirror. Now this mirror I got from, on the tip of my head, Kirkland's. I got it. It was on sale and I need to mount it. I'm probably gonna put some lights underneath here, but I'm not sure yet. But I think it's a great focal point for the room. The designer that I worked with, one of the ones that I got a quote from, suggested putting that as the focal point instead of where I originally was gonna put it, which is on this side, since this is a shorter wall. But I love how it turned out. These are my clothes, as you can see. Jeans, some slacks. My idea of dressing up to go out is skinny jeans and a nice shirt. I don't really like dresses, as you can see. Not a lot of dresses, not my thing. And then this is my vanity, guys. And the wall art here I got from Wayfair. Waited months for it to come in, but absolutely love it. I think it fits the room perfect. So now we can go into the makeup storage. I wanted to show this because I get questions all the time asking, how many palettes do I have? Barbara, I bet you have a lot of makeup. Please remember, I have accumulated this stuff over years. This is not something that I just like yesterday went out and bought everything. The vanity set is the IKEA Alex drawers. I've had those for 4 years now. I've been in Houston 4 years and I got them when I moved here. The taller set here I just recently got when I moved into this house because I wanted to organize everything better. And then the dividers, let's see if this will act right. So this top drawer, these are all my primers, and the dividers, I have this gray set in both top drawers. I got this from the Container Store and I couldn't find them again, so I went with something else for the other drawers. But I think this is cute because you can rearrange the little boxes to help change the configuration. But I told y'all, this right here is my favorite primer. I have 1, 2, 3, and the one in my bathroom. So not joking, legitimately my favorite primer. Primers only here. Eye primers, face primers, face primers. Next drawer, foundations and concealers. Outside of eyeshadows, foundation is my favorite thing, and I have yet to find one that I'm like, this is my holy grail. Either I find a formula that I like but I can't find the right color, or I find a color but it doesn't last long enough. Some of them are close. I don't like to mix, so that's why I have all these different ones. I bet if I mix something I'll probably find like the perfect cocktail, but I'm hard-headed and I want it all in one bottle. So we have all of these foundations. And no, I'm not gonna stop buying foundations because I'm still searching for my perfect one. I love this Dior Backstage. This isn't my shade right now, so it's in the drawer. I bought this Marc Jacobs just because it was Marc Jacobs and I thought it would be nice for a lighter coverage. It's not bad, but most of the stuff in this drawer is not my shade right now, unfortunately. So I can't wear any of this stuff, but I'm going to probably start trying to wear them again and just mix them because I don't want them to just sit and go bad. Next drawer is all my face powders, banana powders, loose setting powders, face powders. That's everything in here. These containers, these dividers, storage drawers, whatever, I got these. They're called bricks from the Container Store, and these are a little expensive. The longer ones back here are $10 each, and then the shorter one in the front is like $8, and then the dividers are like $2 a pack, and you only get 2 dividers. So it's like $30 a drawer. But again, I've gotten these over the years, and I love them because they fit almost perfectly, and you can customize them. So I can move this wherever I want to configure this how I want to fit whatever products I have. So you're not stuck to just however the plastic acrylic drawers come. And then this next drawer. Okay, I just reorganized this stuff, and I legitimately did not realize that out of everything in this drawer, this is blush, this is bronzer, and then all of this is highlighters. So y'all, please forgive me if I don't buy any more highlighters. I could probably go a good 30. There's probably more than 30. Whatever. I could do several videos and not repeat a highlighter and not buy a new one. So I don't think I'll be buying any new ones anytime soon, unless it's something for the drugstore, because I don't have a lot of drugstore stuff. Then this bottom drawer is empty, but here are my bricks. So as you can see, it's called a bricks organizer. Customizable, stackable, all that good stuff. Now we move over to this side. I kept losing my remotes, and my microphone kept getting tangled and left different places. So I decided to dedicate a drawer, since I have extra drawers now, to storing my tools, my clippers, my remotes, my grips for my tripod, just whatever that wasn't makeup but I needed for the channel. It's now in one place. Then this next drawer, I used to have eye products in here, eyeliner, but I moved them into this storage set of drawers that I just got since quarantine, because I was organizing stuff and I was like, I want more drawers to spread stuff out. I had my primers and foundations in one drawer and it was overflowing, so I definitely like this better now. But this is just my eyebrow pencils. I have room for more stuff. I don't know what else would go in there, but we got room. Then this is lip products. So in the back here, I have lip masks and lip balms, then lipsticks, more balms and lip liners, and then my liquid lipsticks there. Then I love this setup because this drawer, as you can see, is much taller than all the other drawers, and I can put my tall eyeshadow palettes standing up in here. I want all my makeup standing up where I can see each thing individually. I don't want anything stacked on top of each other, so this configuration is perfect. And of course, gotta have something to clean up because I don't want to mess. Then we get to the taller set, and this drawer here is all of my mini mascaras that I get, samples, pencil liners, and then my liquid liners back here. I literally wear a wing almost every time I do my makeup, so liquid liners for life. This drawer is my single shadows. You see I don't have many of them. I prefer palettes. ColourPop, cream shadows, drugstore, some more drugstore. These liquid shadows, like I have a Stila one back here. I don't wear these a lot, so that's why I don't have that many of them, but they're nice to have just if you want to amp stuff up with glitter. Again, I don't wear a lot of glitter, so I like these little pigments. These are the L'Oreal pigments. These are less glittery, but still give you a good shine, so I feel better about using these. At one point, I was in love with like these green, brown, blue, brown, whatever you want to call them, colors. So this Modster Manuka Honey, what color? What's the name of it? Peacock, yeah. I found out about that one from Tati. Absolutely love it. And then this other one is from Urban Decay. And then this drawer is my lashes. I've really just started getting into lashes because I kind of had trouble putting them on, and I don't like big lashes. Like, these are probably the most dramatic lashes that I have. I just wore these recently. Love them. This is what I started out with, and I thought that was a lot. And now I'm like, you can't even see that. These little things. Next drawer is my face palettes. I don't know if these are going to stay here, but I have the space for it, so that's just where I'm sticking them right now. This is where my eyeshadows start. So I wanted, again, to be able to see everything and have everything standing up nice and neat. So the ones that can fit like this go in this drawer. My Kat Von D Metal Matte back here. Then this drawer is for the taller palettes. Again, have to be able to stand up. These drawers are a little taller, so you can see they give me a little more clearance for the slightly bigger palettes. And this basket back here is just to keep these from falling down. And then these last three drawers are empty, but these dividers I got on Amazon. You saw one here and the other one here. So these you cannot customize, and you cannot pick how you want them designed. So you order a set of, well, you can order one. I ordered a set of 5 because I knew I needed some for this whole set of drawers. But these are foam. Like, they're kind of squishy, but they're pretty sturdy. And again, I love that they fit completely across, no extra wasted space. I'm just not sure how it's gonna work with the way the layout is. I don't know what I'm gonna put in them. And each one has a different layout. So, and then this is the top. So not much up here, just wanted it to look pretty. This is my high mirror. I play music on here when I'm in here organizing or planning my makeup. It's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so I can play Pandora, Spotify, can also watch YouTube videos, and it does light up. So pretty cool, love that. And then my flowers I got from Amazon. My diffuser I got from Pier 1. Sweater Weather, one of my favorite candles. Pretty much everything in here, organizational wise or decor, is from Amazon, because I don't know how to shop for this stuff. And I figure I can find stuff cheap on there, and if I don't like it, it's easy to return it. Not a big deal. So when I film tutorials, this is where I am. And then when I film my videos for like hauls or favorites or just anything where I'm not actually doing a tutorial, then I'm facing this way, mainly just because I want to give you guys a different angle and because I love that artwork. Cute, cute, cute. So yeah, guys, this is my room.